Today, we will learn very easily how to start earning through affiliate or CPA marketing in just 5 minutes. So, today's video is going to be awesome for those who are new. So, watch the whole video very carefully and you will become the boss of CPA marketing. But those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe quickly and click on the bell icon next to it. You can easily see my new tricks video. Okay, first I go to Highfiles. Highfiles is biggest market for CPA and very reliable and trusted. So log in Highfiles. So this is the dashboard. Here you can see total click, total today's click, total income, total lead, today income. Okay. So next is offer. I click on all offer. Here all offer is here. You can see the offers ID, offer name, offer category, offer type, rate, product sale and one-time payment. This is free download, free registration, email submit, and look at the payment: $5, $6, $2, $25, $35, okay, 45 USD. So all varieties of offer is here. Click on active offer. So which offer tip for my ID? Click here. Offer ID is 780. Offer name pure 500 mg CBT oil and payout 8 USD. And country USA, UK, Canada, Germany, Australia. Okay. And status is active. This is landing page and this is your tracking link and this is your description, and next is restriction where you will market. So social media, email marketing and PPC marketing, adult traffic, banner, SMS marketing, incentive marketing you cannot allow. So click here and copy this link. Then you copy the description, screenshot for this picture and save. And now you go for link shortener. Click here, paste here the link, click here and copy this link. So you go for your social media pages and copy the description and paste here. Then you paste your shortener link and then go to canva.com and create a design and search here Facebook post. So this is Facebook post here, and upload your screenshot product file and then edit here, editing, click on download png and click on download, then upload here, go to edit and write on tag CBT oil, save and then post. So your post is ready and so this is your product, and now enjoying your lead and income. So thank you very much for watching this video.